this lesson, we're going to have an overview of the conversations area. We're going to look at accessing messages in the universal conversations inbox, and we're going to look at viewing the conversation history, and of course then we want to look at how we mark conversations, read or unread. We also figure out how to look at just your conversations or all conversations. So let's dive into the screen share and have a look. So this is the conversations area. What we're looking at here is a 3-panel layout in the universal conversations inbox. So unread messages will appear in the left-hand panel. You can apply filters to look at all conversations if you're an administrator, or only conversations that have been assigned to you. Now, you can also look at recents, and this will just show you recent conversations, both read and unread. Of course, also just looking at unread here, it gives you the notification on the left panel. The content will be in this panel. So whether we're sending SMSs or emails, we can see that here. And other channels will appear here as well. We can scroll to the bottom to get to the most recent conversation. And of course, the contact appears on the third and final panel on the right-hand side. To mark a conversation as read, we click on Mark as Read, and it disappears. To archive the conversation, we click on Archive. That's it. That is the universal conversation inbox. I'll see you in the next lesson.